Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix pet insurance with Pets Best, full guide step by step clearly. To fix pet insurance with Pets Best, start by visiting their official website. Look for the claims section in the navigation menu. Click on File a claim to begin the process. You will need to provide your pet's information. Enter your pet's name, breed, and date of birth. Next, input your policy number for accurate tracking. Upload any required documents, such as invoices or receipts. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once everything is complete, click on the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your claim submission. After submission, monitor your email for updates on your claim status. If any issues arise, contact Pets Best customer service directly. Use the contact number or live chat option available on their site. Be prepared to provide your claim number for quicker assistance. Keep a record of all communications regarding your claim. After processing, review the decision provided by Pets Best. If you're not satisfied with the outcome, you can appeal the decision. Submit your appeal through the claims section of the website. Gather any additional documentation to support your case. Wait for a response regarding your appeal from Pets Best. Once resolved, keep a file of your insurance documents for future reference. Following these steps can help ensure your pet insurance claim is handled effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.